Hi guys, and welcome back to part 4 of the Clio Chronicles, and today is so exhilarating because it is the Clio's first time out on track. So we're going to the local track Cadwell to see how we get on, just test the car a little bit, make sure everything's sound and have a bit of fun with it. So let's get going. Made it. Roland's passed all the noise testing, which is good. The beamer's there ready for little photographs later. A little bit nervous now, but very, very excited to get going. So the sighting laps are all done. So now the nerves are out the way, now I've been on the track and it's all been okay, so let's go have the first session done. Couple of sessions done. The first one was cut short due to a red flag, so not really counting that too much for 3 laps, but it was really good getting used to the car now, learning how the car brakes, how it handles, sort of working out and testing out different braking points, turning points, and just trying to get used to it, ready for instruction later on, which then means the afternoon we really go for it and just learn basically. So quick cup of tea time. Performing really well, starting to gel with the car a lot more, getting the trust and confidence up there with both the car and the circuit. That was a much better session. We're just going to go order some lunch and then I've got my tuition in about half an hour, so get rest and ready for that. Wish us luck. Just had instruction from a guy called Brett who used to race in BTCC. All really good. It was really helpful, getting me some confidence and just some pointers on certain corners, but overall very positive feedback. So now it's lunchtime and then we'll be back out. Pit stop. So, oh god, my hair is a mess. That was a bit of a hot and sweaty one. I was out for quite a while, but it was really good. Just keep getting held up behind a couple of cars where I don't have to brake around those corners, but they are, so it's slowing down, but because we haven't got the straight line speed. we can't get past them as easily because they think we're not as quick, which is a little bit frustrating, especially in one of the corners I'm trying to practice on. But I am getting a couple of clear runs where I can get it pretty much nearly foot flat, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's going really, really well, really enjoying it. Car has gelled really well. I'm happy that it's all going smoothly. Nothing's, touch wood, gone wrong yet. And yeah, Cadwell is just incredible. So we've got another hour and a half-ish maybe. So it's gonna take a chill pill for a minute and then head back out and make the most of the time remaining. But yeah, loving it. So the Clio's performing really, really well. I thought I'd give it a little bit of break after that stint. I was playing around with a MX-5, which was really actually quite equal. There was corners where I was much faster and corners where he was much faster. But we did get in front of him. It was really, really good fun. Yeah, a little bit of a lock-up trying to play around with braking, so we learnt our lesson there. But yeah, this thing's performing so well. I'm loving it. So we've just gone to go on the final session out, and the track obsession guys noticed this. So the beading from the tyres somehow managed to come out, and very annoyingly, it's scratched all the way around from that. So annoyingly didn't get the final 15 minutes, but it just means a new tyre and getting sorted, and a bit of Sharpie on this bit, which was very annoying for the first time with a new wrap. But the last session I did actually have was really, really good, so it's ended on a high. We're not going to let this bother me. We're just going to get loaded and head off. But the Clio's been absolutely fantastic. A little bit lacking in straight line speed, but other than that, we still kept up with quite a few people. So,
and I just want to say a huge thank you to Auto Imperium, my main sponsor within the Formula Women competition, who supplied today at Cadwell. Without them, none of this would be possible, so go check them out and I'll pop their links below. But again, a huge, huge thank you.
So you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!